Welcome to another exhilarating episode of Best Car Craze. Today, we delve into the highly anticipated 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo, a masterpiece that redefines the boundaries of automotive engineering. Whether you're a seasoned Porsche enthusiast or a newcomer to the brand, this review promises to captivate your imagination and fuel your passion for high-performance vehicles. Introduction: the evolution continues. The Porsche 911 Turbo has long been synonymous with unparalleled performance, precision engineering, and timeless design. With the 2026 model, Porsche takes these attributes to new heights. Building upon the legacy of its predecessors, the 2026 911 Turbo introduces groundbreaking innovations that enhance driving dynamics, efficiency, and luxury. Powertrain, a hybrid revolution. At the heart of the 2026 911 Turbo lies a revolutionary hybrid powertrain. This system combines a 3.8-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of nearly 700 horsepower. The integration of an electric turbocharger, a turbo, minimizes turbo lag, providing instantaneous throttle response and seamless power delivery. This hybrid setup not only boosts performance but also improves fuel efficiency, marking a significant step towards sustainable high-performance driving. Performance metrics: precision in motion. The 2026 911 Turbo accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in a blistering 2.7 seconds. Thanks to its advanced all-wheel drive system and lightning-fast 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. With a top speed exceeding 330 km per hour, it stands as one of the fastest production cars on the market. The vehicle's dynamic handling is further enhanced by Porsche's active anti-roll bars, adaptive dampers, and rear-wheel steering, ensuring exceptional stability and agility on both straightaways and tight corners. Interior: a fusion of technology and comfort. Step inside the 2026 911 Turbo, and you're greeted by an interior that seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology with luxurious comfort. The cabin features a fully digital instrument cluster, offering customizable displays and intuitive controls. Premium materials, including leather upholstery and carbon fiber accents, create an ambience of sophistication. The 18-way power-adjustable sports seats provide exceptional support, ensuring a comfortable ride whether you're on a spirited drive or a long-distance journey. Design: timeless elegance with modern flair. The exterior design of the 2026 911 Turbo retains the iconic silhouette that has defined the 911 lineage for decades. Subtle updates include revised front and rear fascias, new LED headlights, and a more aggressive rear diffuser, enhancing both aesthetics and aerodynamics. The active rear spoiler, a hallmark of the Turbo models, adjusts dynamically to optimize downforce and stability at high speeds. Safety and driver assistance: confidence on every drive. Porsche continues to prioritize driver safety and assistance with the 2026 911 Turbo. Standard features include lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a surround view camera system. These technologies work in harmony to provide a secure and confident driving experience, whether navigating city streets or embarking on open-road adventures. Pricing and availability: a worthy investment. The 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo is expected to be priced at approximately PKR 56,800,000 in Pakistan. This investment secures you a vehicle that combines unparalleled performance, cutting-edge technology, and timeless design. With its limited availability and exclusive appeal, owning a 911 Turbo is not just about driving, it's about joining an elite community of automotive aficionados. Final thoughts: a new benchmark in automotive excellence. The 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo sets a new benchmark in the realm of high-performance sports cars. Its innovative hybrid powertrain, blistering acceleration, and refined interior make it a compelling choice for those seeking the pinnacle of automotive engineering. Porsche has once again demonstrated its commitment to excellence, delivering a vehicle that honors its legacy while embracing the future of driving. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth review of the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest reviews and automotive insights. Until next time, keep your passion for cars alive and thriving.